Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 111.66 points, that is 0.15%, and settled at 72,776.13 points. Nifty 50 is up by 48.45 points, that is 0.22%, and settled at 22,104.05 points. Bank Nifty is up by 333.00 points, that is 0.70%, and settled at 47,754.10 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 203.10 points, that is 0.41%, and settled at 49,735.40 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 68.95 points, that is 0.43%, and settled at 16,037.80 points. Aditya Birla Capital Quarter 4 Cons net profit 12.5 billion rupee versus 6.1 billion rupee year-on-year. This is a big beat of year-on-year. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. UPL Limited Quarter 4 consider net profit 400 million rupee versus estimate 3.6 billion rupee loss. Quarter 4 EBITDA 18.4 billion rupee versus estimate 12 billion rupees. This is big beat of the estimations. With these good results, stock has reacted positively in today's session. The company reported 62.9% year-on-year growth in consolidated net profit at 256.8 crore rupees for the quarter ended March 2024, led by healthy operating numbers. Its revenue from operations grew by 9% year-on-year to 1,513.7 crore rupees. The company's EBITDA surged 29.2% to 370.4 crore rupees, with an improvement in margins to 24.5% from 20.7% on year-on-year basis. With these positive results, stock has surged up to 14% in today's session. Bharti Airtel and Google Cloud enter into a long-term strategic collaboration to accelerate cloud adoption and deploy generative AI solutions. Bharti Airtel company says through this collaboration, the two companies are targeting the large and growing Indian public cloud services market, which is expected 17.8 billion rupees by 2027. KPI Green Company approves raising up to 1,000 crore rupees through QIP, said in an exchange filing. New listing of Indegene. Company listed at 655 rupee per share on NSE versus issue price of 452 rupee per share. Company listed at a premium of 45% on NSE. Company listed at 659 rupee per share on BSE versus issue price of 452 rupee per share. Company listed at a premium of 46% on BSE. Biocon Limited on Monday announced the signing of a semi-exclusive distribution and supply agreement with Medix, a specialty pharmaceutical company in Mexico. According to the company's statement, the agreement has been signed for the commercialization of its vertically integrated drug product, liraglutide, G-Saxenda, used in the treatment of chronic weight management. Under the terms of this agreement, Biocon will undertake the responsibility of obtaining regulatory approval, manufacturing and supply of the drug product, and Medix will be responsible for its commercialization in the Mexican market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.